Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. We have a few things to go over in this video, so I want to start in some kind of an order. So first of all, I did make my first merch shirt. This is what that looks like. And that is the back. So let me know if you would like to have one. I will definitely get one made and sent to you. You can leave it in the comment section below with your size. You can get a hold of me on Instagram with your address, and I would be thrilled to do that. I think it came out absolutely adorable. I couldn't pick better colors. I will be having more in different colors. But yeah, I thought it was rather cute. And then the second thing is we have some friend mail. So let's go ahead and go over that before we get into the rest of the video. So we got friend mail from Barbara's Beauty Bag. I have collabed with her in the past. She is an absolutely great person. Please do go over to her channel and check her out. I will leave her channel in the description box down below. But this is what we got from her. It is, all of it's nicely wrapped, I will say. I did get a little card, which is personal, so that is just to me. But I do love thank you cards. I buy thank you cards by the box full, and I send a card in almost every box I send out. I just think it's the right thing to do. But she did include some candy, which I had never had a high chew. Never heard of it, but these little mango ones, these are amazing. And I don't really eat chocolate, but my husband does. So thank you for the candy, Barbara. And the card. So these are the things that she sent me. Like I said, everything is wrapped up in its own little thing. But these are a pair of paparazzi red earrings. So we have those. Then we have another one. And this is another paparazzi. And this is earrings with a long necklace. I will say Samantha will probably steal this from me since yellow is her color. But that is what that looks like. And I've never purchased paparazzi jewelry, although I hear about it all the time. It is rather cute. But that is what that looks like with little matching earrings. So there is that. And like I said, my daughter will probably kite that from me because that is what daughters do. And then the last thing she sent me, I was really blown away by her sending this to me, but she sent me the whole set of the Bling Brush face brushes. Now, I was lucky enough to get a pre-order on the Ice Set Bling Brush silver set when the pre-order came out the beginning of the month, I think it was, end of last month. Either way, I now have the dark face set, which, Barbara, thank you, that is above and beyond. I do also have a code if you yourself want to purchase some bling brushes. Her IG name is BELINDAMUA. Her YouTube channel is Got to Be Slayed Beauty. The code is GLAMB10, and that is at Bling Brushes. So if you want to order, please do use that code. And please do go check out Belinda. I will also leave her link down in my description box. So thank you, Barbara. I really appreciated what you sent me. I will definitely be using those brushes, and I wasn't going to buy any face brushes because I thought the price for just the Ice Set was a little bit much. So I do greatly appreciate the face brushes. I will use them and cherish them. Okay, guys, so let's talk about the beauty community drama. Everybody's in it. Everybody has their 2 cents. Everybody wants to get their say in. So I'm going to do mine because I'm telling you, this has been a bit much. When it started last year with Tati, it was a bit much then it got worse, then it got better, then it went away, now it's back with a vengeance. So Tati's first video proved to be lies. There was a lot of misinformation in there. So when her second video came out, I watched it. I freaked out. I come in here, I took all my Jeffree Star stuff down, all my mirrors, and I packed it away in a clear storage tote and thought, oh my gosh, how can I stand for somebody like that? Well, there's no proof yet. And Jeffree Star is the same person he is today that he was last year when I fell in love with him. Now, is he a great person? Not all the way around, but who is? Everybody is human. We all make mistakes. You know, you learn to either forgive and forget, or you don't and you move on. There's no proof. He's been problematic since he started YouTube. I mean, he's the same person. Do I know him personally? I wish. We don't go to lunch. He doesn't even know who I am. But do I love his formula and his makeup? You're damn right I do. And I'm not going to hide it in a box somewhere. And I'm not going to use it. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is my favorite makeup brand to date. Now, if I find another one, y'all will be the first to know. But until then, I'm going to continue to buy my Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm going to continue purchasing my mirrors. His formula is extremely awesome formula. Why would I get rid of that? I got hundreds of dollars of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Shane, I'm not really that into Shane. Shane made his own bed. He did what he did, and he has to deal with the consequences. He was never a big part of my life. Yes, I've watched him. The conspiracy palette was a big thing. But in that, I think Shane came in, did a cash grab, waited a little while, restocked and did another cash grab, made a whole lot of merch in between there, and took a whole lot of our money. And then 12 hours later decided to bounce out of the beauty community that he was never in. I do want y'all to understand that the beauty community isn't all that it is right now. We have some toxic people in it, yes we do. And they're the same names that go around and around that you hear about almost on a daily basis. There are other ones under us that are amazing people. You know, there's Smoky Glow, there's Teresa is Dead, there's Abadabs, you know, there's a whole line of people. Kelly Stark. There's a whole line of people that don't get up there because of the same people that are there that keep toxifying the beauty community, making it such an ugly place. I do love Rylan though. I am a Rylan and Morgan fan. I love both of them. I watch their channels. I am subscribed to both of them. I am not subscribed to Shane, nor will I be. I don't condone what he's done. I don't know why it took so long. That was back in 2005, 2006. Why now? Why did Tati wait to do her video? So much of it doesn't make sense, and until I have some proof right here in front of my eyes that I can read on my own that says, yep, Jeffree Star did that 100%, or Jeffree Star comes out and says, yes, I did this, without an apology or an explanation, I'm going to keep my Jeffree Star stuff. If you don't like Jeffree Star or don't approve of him, you know, leave it down in the comments. Let me know your feedback on how you feel about Jeffree Star and Shane and Tati and the whole drama going on right now, because it's huge. The beauty community is so into everything right now, and it's such an ugly place. Come on, Bug Bug. Where are you going? You want to say hi? Come here. Chloe's gonna come say hi, guys. Oh, the little girls. Just say hi. Look. No, not me. Look. Okay. Okay. Alright, so. I do want to know how y'all feel about it and what your thoughts are. Because I am interested. But like I said, I'm going to stay right where I'm at. His makeup makes me happy. My husband loves to make me happy. So it goes hand in hand. And I'm happy. Do I agree with everything Jeffree Star says and does? No. No, I do not. But like I said, that is his life. He has to answer for that. He is human just as I am. Just as you are. Before you throw that stone, please go look in a mirror first. There is so much negativity. Try to stay positive, guys. It's really not that hard. So that's my video. Please do let me know. Please do check out Belinda's channel. And please do go over and check out Barbara. Barbara, thank you again. I greatly appreciate the gifts. Belinda, I hope somebody uses your code, honey. And please let me know how y'all are feeling and what you're thinking. Until next time, as always, y'all stay beautiful. Love you, bye.